Go shorty, it's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
Oh, how you feel?
It's your birthday.
You don't even know the song complete.
I know how to finish that.
It's a birthday. We're gonna party like it's a birthday. We're gonna make a holler like it's a birthday. Because it's a birthday.
Anyway, I'm very happy because tomorrow I go add another year to my wonderful years. Na Baba God and I do.
Yes.
People just they ask
God
me say, "Oh, why you be say you just dey happy since?" I dey happy because this year's birthday just dey different from all other years.
I understand.
I believe say as I grow older, I can't appreciate life the more. So I actually thank Baba God and say tomorrow, I go see another year. And happy birthday to my mom, see, because today now your birthday, Mrs.
Happy birthday, mommy!
Yeah, Mrs. Rachel Eigamu say, yes, talk like this. We have come and sit down to sunch you all the vitamins them. As I always they talk every time now they talk about me. Every time. So with all the sunch now, all the things the way they happen for inside Nigeria and Obodo Yibo. Now for those of you way they out there, they wonder say, what in talk they all about? We go tell you. Talk now talk show where they bring out things them. Where they happen for inside Obodo Nigeria and even Obodo Yibo, we go put them on top of our table for here. All of us go put our mouth inside. Now the thing we say, not be only us they talk on top of them. You where they out there too. You they also talk on top the matter. So you're going to need to follow us on top Twitter at Wazobia. My name is Uvbi and the beautiful, intelligent, wonderful, eloquent, inspirational, motivational.
Yes.
Ladies going to cover themselves one by each.
Oh yes, we don't come again, and my name is still Betyana only.
After all the plenty praises, my name still remains Amaka Queen.
All right, now there my own name still remain Queen B. I did happy with Uvbi because I understand when you after my own birthday now own. When you don't do your birthday, you don't understand you go understand the mood, the feel. And mostly when you don't achieve some kind of things where you actually wish yourself to achieve. So we say happy birthday to you, Sister Leah. We say happy birthday to Mom.
No, actually, we body the sweet and this year for sake of say this year birthday she wants to celebrate. Betyana day inside.
Amaka day inside.
You know, Queen B day inside.
Yeah, truly. Yeah, they talk the truth.
And we go turn them up on Friday.
No, tomorrow.
Yeah. No, tomorrow. Yeah, then we'll do after party.
We'll do tomorrow.
Evening. Your birthday they begin tomorrow.
Yes, sister.
Now 3 days to
Speak it, sister.
Yes, 3 days. You gotta go.
All right, so yeah, you were there out there. You don't need to wait for your birthday for you to be happy. We always tell you on talk. Make sure say every day you wake up with a smile for your face. We understand say if they get some kind of hardship where they make people wake up with frown. Some people on their own they will just cause their day.
I understand.
Traffic go there today. Oh, my oga go disturb me. Oh, I not go get that money today. They don't already cost their own day.
Hey, I never get school fees, I don't die.
But I beg, they tell you on talk, say every day wake up and proclaim, how do they talk? Profess positively for your life. I beg. All right, I'm Bobby for us to talk. Me, I am ready to talk as usual, but I need to know whether the beautiful, intelligent, and they praise them because I want me to buy me gift tomorrow. I don't care, I go say the truth.
No, we see I tell you, with a birthday or no birthday, you know, so we always share gifts within ourselves. So, but if tomorrow can be special, we'll not can give you by day tomorrow. What thing go happen?
No, I go disown now. All right, I don't ready to talk. I don't ready to talk.
Yeah, so we're ready. We bring it on the by day girls.
Amaka, please, are you ready to talk?
Please.
Because you calm down today, we don't understand. Unlike you.
She won't go move. Just say it.
I commend. Not be me talking more. Now the person that supports you.
No, I won't go move.
Amaka,
you know,
from my mouth, you are a very beautiful woman. Make I tell you the story.
We talk.
All right.
You know why they call her name.
I love you too.
Okay.
All right, our first story for today. This one now, as in make I tell them, say our Wednesdays now always family day. Now time we will talk about things then where they affect the family, and they bring us some kind of stories then with also they affect the family. So our first story for today concerns what happened for inside Manchester. As they talk, say this woman where they stay from Manchester, she don't do it in, she don't do some kind of badness where make police people arrest her, put her for inside prison. Which kind of badness she do, we go tell you. They say she leave a 10 years and 13 years old Pekin for 2 weeks for inside house. While she travel come Nigeria, can't do wedding. 2 weeks. Now she leave them for inside the house. why she travel come Nigeria come do party. They say this woman, so what they talk about, so say she fly out of UK on the 28th of January 2015. They say why she don't come out. Say her children, they continue to they go school. However, authorities don't discover, say, they leave them with very little food. Because according to the woman, she don't leave them with food. And even the eating. You see, matches are the cold now. The eating system not today very strong like that. But now, they don't baba, put her for inside prison, say, now neglect, now you do so. How you go travel, leave your pikin for 2 weeks for house. Just because they be 10 and 12, you leave them for house for them to take care of themselves. So we bring our mental table and for us to talk about this particular matter. And make I ask Una this question. You feel, say, 2 questions actually. Party day important past family. And also, if now you go feel leave your pikin, knowing say they be 10 and 13, you go feel leave them for a day alone.
We know say this thing, it bring me back to waiting Queen B, they always talk. When they talk, sometimes they look say Queen B don't even too much. But for this particular story, I agree. I can't even over-agree with the issue. Say you born no means say you be actually the mama of those pikin. Yeah. You need to prepare yourself mentally, like she always they talk, before you go know, say, okay, you could actually be mama of the pikin where be say you born. Because I don't understand why any normal person where born pikin, you carry them for 9 months, some they carry for 12 months, some they carry for 2 years. Anyhow as your own be, you carry them complete, you born with labor pains